What's up, guys? Wanted to make a video showing you how to install ambient footwell lighting in your 2022 or newer Genesis G70. Literally takes less than 10 minutes. So the lights, when you purchase them, they're going to come with two threads. You've got two right here, as you can see, that are adhesive to the bottom right here. And then it's going to come with another strand, which you can then just feed through a hole right here. So this is your gas pedal, just to give you context. And there is a gap between all of these wires and stuff in which you can just stick the lights through, and they'll come out over here on the other side. Again, you can see I just stuck them right here. So wires are hitting extremely well. And the only wires that are exposed are the ones that come out of the cigarette lighter or the USB, depending on which type you buy. And then I've tucked them down under my floor mat. And as you can see, they're running up right here. And then I've got the excess with the blue wrapping around them stuck there. So that's really all it takes to install footwell lighting into your car. Now, I wanted to talk about why I went with one that was powered through the cigarette lighter or USB, and why I think you should too. So there's only two other ways to wire these lights into your vehicle. One of them is, splicing them into some pre-existing wires within your vehicle, which can potentially void your electrical warranty if something happens. Me personally, I have a 10-year electrical warranty on this vehicle, and I don't want to do anything that could potentially void that. The second way to wire these and power them would be to run a wire all the way through your car into the battery, which is located in the trunk. If you didn't know, the battery for this vehicle is located all the way in the trunk. So I just did not want to have to mess with running that many wires through the vehicle or paying somebody $100 to do that. Honestly, to me, this is not that bad of an eyesore. It would be even less of an eyesore if you got the ones that were powered through USB, because then you're not going to have, this little cigarette thing right here. But from the driver's perspective, when you're driving, this is the only thing I see right here is this little wire. And honestly, because of how good the lights look, it really does not bother me. And I'm not one to have like really janky looking mods on my car. So the brand of lights that I recommend for you to buy are called Govee lights. Put them up on the screen now. I have multiple Govee products in my house, and they make extremely high quality lights. Now, the ones that I bought and I have in my Genesis currently came with this awful looking box thing. And they also have a remote. The Govee brand of lights, which again I recommend to you, have an app so you control them with your phone. When you turn the vehicle on, the lights also turn on at the same time. So it's not like you got to pull your phone out every time and turn the lights on. So again, I recommend buying the Govee instead of ones that have a remote like this, because then you got to keep a remote in your car. And then you have this little box down here, which can be a bit of an eyesore. But again, like I said, when I'm driving, I don't see that box at all, because this is how I keep my leg when I'm driving. So again, like I said, I see this wire, and that's literally it. And then you've got the lights lighting up your floor well. Simple, cheap, and easy to install mod for, what are they? The Govee lights are $35 on Amazon. So link in the description. Go check them out. If you guys got any further questions, let me know in the comments. But like I said, this is a very simple, very straightforward mod. Thread the lights through there, and I mean, you're pretty much golden, boyo. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Have fun driving your Genesis out there. I don't know how you say Genesis. Genesis. All right, I'll see you guys.